Welcome to Deliciously Filipino, where we explore the vibrant and delicious world of Philippine cuisine. Today, we'll take you on a mouth-watering journey through 12 iconic food recipes from the Philippines. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. First up, we have adobo, the ultimate Filipino comfort food. This savory dish showcases tender meat marinated in a blend of soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and spices. Next, we have sinigang, a tangy and flavorful soup made with tamarind broth, vegetables, and your choice of protein. It's the perfect balance of sour and savory. Moving on, we have pancit, a noodle dish that comes in various regional variations. From pancit canton, with its stir-fried goodness, to pancit palabok, adorned with shrimp, egg, and crispy chicharron. Ever tried lechon? This famous Filipino roasted pig is crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and a true centerpiece at fiestas. Don't forget to indulge in the rich and creamy flavors of kare-kare, a stew made with oxtail, vegetables, and a delicious peanut sauce. It's a Filipino favorite that will leave you craving for more. Want something crispy and flavorful? Try lumpia, the Filipino version of spring rolls. These crispy rolls are filled with a delightful mix of vegetables, meat, and seasonings. For seafood lovers, we have the beloved sinigang sa sampalok. This sour soup features a medley of fresh seafood, simmered in a sour tamarind broth. Craving for something sweet? Halo is the way to go. This mixed dessert offers a refreshing combination of shaved ice, sweet beans, fruits, and leche flan. Looking for a hearty breakfast? Tuck into tapsilog, a popular dish composed of tender marinated beef, garlic rice, and a sunny-side-up egg. Indulge in the rich flavors of chicken inasal, a succulent grilled chicken marinated in a blend of spices and annatto oil. It's a true explosion of taste. For the adventurous foodies, dinuguan might pique your interest. This unique dish features pork simmered in a rich and tangy blood sauce, resulting in a savory delight. And finally, we have bibingka, a traditional Filipino rice cake made with coconut milk and topped with butter, cheese, and salted eggs. It's a delightful treat that's perfect for any occasion. That wraps up our tantalizing journey through 12 iconic food recipes from the Philippines. We hope you enjoyed exploring the diverse flavors of Filipino cuisine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious content.